Hey, this is Marlon from Twin Rivers Wood Products. We're filming a short on this axis, Eastonmade axis here. This is the new upgraded version with the conveyor on it. The same one we have ordered. It's actually completed. It's actually sitting in Canada now. They're waiting on the 24D to get done before they ship both of them down here. But we're at the Hoosier Firewood Hysteria in Greentown, Indiana, and that is a lot of equipment here. This is a woodcutter's paradise today. Maybe you can help us put wood over there. Go help put wood, chop wood in there. Twin Rivers Wood Products here, chucking wood. Well, it's an amazing machine here. Just figured y'all would like to see it. It's a machine we're going to get here here in a couple weeks. So we'll have a lot more videos coming in on whenever we get that one. So y'all have a good day.